Hi guys, welcome to a quick tutorial. So this is how to buy a mod. First, you need to add something to cart. Bro, I need to check my internet. Well, let's keep going. Alright. So I added the SD70 ACE. Let's do 2 trains. Imagine it brings it. That might be annoying. X. Let's find it in the model car. Here it is. Also there's another name for an immortal, a wheel car. Yes. Let's make that. $20. Wow. It's a card. Adding.
I guess you like boosting the server. Wow, that's what
Bro.
Oh, you just collect one piece.
No, he said 2, not 1.
This is the best way. Or your club buddy can produce it. Oh, yeah. Just wait for you. Or we. Oh, that's honey. Honey. Honey, it's your honey.
Well, if you got all you needed,
Oh, bubble, yeah.
you need to check out. You need to go and check out. Let's try this to Bomberman. Let's go quickly. You need to go quickly. Go quick.
You got like.
Bruh, it takes long to load. To make it not a quick tutorial.
How do I do? Oh,
Bruh. Yes, finally it loaded.
These are glue. You have to collect 100 of them. And you do it. No. Yeah, you.
Hate your skill.
No, that's not.
Hate your skill. Alright. For quickly, we need to go to train set.
No, that's not these. It's from.
Alright, train set. Electric train set.
What do you call it? Oh, we got to use these.
Let's go to electric. Electric. Amtrak. Oh, Amtrak. I'll meet you at the Rhineway station. Oh, bruh. I accidentally added it to cart. That was funny. It's funny that I accidentally added the cart. That was funny. Well, I'm gonna add the cart. And now, please give me. Please. Please. Alright, if you added this to cart, you click here. Click here. Please check. Oh no, I almost bought it.
Oh, that's stick bug.
Alright, if you check out you got your things. Well, it might take a while to deliver. So goodbye.